Good morning, Miss. Today we are going to the evaluation. As usual, I will ask from the summary points. First, okay, this is health education. Please explain about this, Miss. Germs, yeah.
Okay, good morning, Miss. In this part, the topic is about stop the germs. As we know, germs are everywhere. Germs are in the air, food, water, and our body, especially our hands. When we shake hands to others, we can spread the germs to others. So the germs can spread through the air, food, water, or contact. Through the air, for example, by sneezing or coughing, and then food and water that is food or water that is contaminated through drinking the water or eating the food that is dirty, or contact to other people, like for example, shake hands, touching, hugging. Um, so our body should have good immune. So our body can fight germs, but weak body cannot fight off the germs. Our body may get sick. So how to get the healthy body, how to fight the germs? We should eat the healthy food like fruit, vegetable, vitamins, and others. So our body can fight off the germs. So the germs can spread through the air, and also they can make us sick. For example, we can get tuberculosis or TB. TB spreads through the air, affecting our lungs. So TB is a sickness that affect to our lungs and breathing. TB also spread to the air and also can make people get bad cough. Also have phlegms in our throat. So the person who get tuberculosis may cough out phlegm with the blood when they got bad cough. So we need to take the healthy food to fight off the germs. So contaminated food and water spread the disease like cholera and dysentery. About cholera and dysentery, we will continue in next meetings.
So, how to cure this kind of TB?
TB. We should avoid the first. We should avoid to contact the person who had get TB, because the person who has got cough for weeks, the person may have TB. So we should avoid to contact with them.
I mean, how to cure that? Can we cure this?
Can may drink milk, and then pure milk, and then we can also avoid to what we say, to contact to the other person to stop the spreading, and also we can go to the hospital. We must go to the hospital to take this.
But we can cure, yeah.
Can.
For how many months? I mean, is it in a year or?
According to my family has TB actually. It takes 6 months.
6 months, yeah.
But according to the disease actually, because every person has different immune.
Oh, okay. But for generally, around 6 months.
Around 6 months.
Okay. For this one, English.
Germs.
This one. Okay. Explain this.
Okay, this topic about gerunds. Gerunds are verb that ends or suffix ing but acts as a noun. As we know that simple present progressive use verb ing as a verb, but for gerunds, that's a verb that end in ing or suffix ing but act as a noun. They can be subject, object, or complement in sentence. Example, swimming is fun. Swimming is subject here, but I love swimming. That is just as an object. And then my hobby is swimming, that is as compliments. So gerunds can make sentence more interesting and common in daily language. It's for example, I love to cook. It's better with I love cooking instead of I love to cook. So our sentence become better and flow better, and then sounds nicer than use the verb.
So the function of the verb there because we add ing, it becomes noun.
Yes.
Okay, this one? Oh, this next week, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, science.
Yes.
This one, okay. Please explain what this means.
Okay. We talk about reflection in this chapter. Last meeting is reflections, but now is reflection. As we know, reflection is the bending of light when passes from one material to another. Reflection is like bending. When it passes through substance. Reflection is like changes direction as it moves through different substances. For example, a spoon appears bent in water. When we put a spoon in the water, it will look bent, but the fact it's not. That we call as reflection. Like travel at different speed in different materials. For example, water and glass. Water, glass, and oil. They have different substance. They have different materials. Water and glass denser than the air. That's why when the light in the water and glass, it will more bend than the air. Reflection causes subject to look different underwater or through a glass because it refracts the light. It reflects the light, and then the objects that we put inside the material will look bent. It makes things appear in new position. That's why we call it as reflection, like bending. But for reflection is bunches off. That's why when we see the object, it will reflect. It will bunch off. But for reflection, it will look bent.
Look bent.
Yes.
So there are two topics actually, refraction and reflection. Okay, this one?
And this is the effect because okay. This is the effect of light pollution because in the cities, not in the city, but now the people always use the light.
The light.
Yes, the light. So it can create sky glow and then hide stars. That's why telescope use the lens to see the stars, in the sky because the cities always use the bright light that make it as light pollution. This step can help reduce light pollution. We can do use of the lighting only when needed. Maybe some people, not all people, don't care about that because when I saw around, sometimes the people don't turn off the lamp at day. They don't care about that. That's why we should take care of to use of the lighting only. For example, at day we can use sunlight. Don't use the lamp if it's needed. Install shaded light to direct light downward. The people now can create invention. They can make a LED light by using the sunlight. And then at night they will show the brightness. Turn off light when not in use. Yes, of course, turn off light when it's not in use. We need to turn off if it's not used. Use lower wattage bulbs or for outdoor lighting. For example, dimmer light. Dimmer light or LED light can be better to use. Encourage the use of warm color light. Yes, this is the same with dimmer light because they don't create sky glow and light pollution. Promote community awareness about light pollution. We can talk, we can discuss, we can make a project with people. We can discuss. We must be aware about light pollution because now in the cities we rarely to see the stars in the sky. But different in the village, we can see the stars there. We can see the beautiful sky to view the stars. But now they use the telescope, and then without anything, we can see the stars, but not too many stars in the sky.
Why?
Because of light pollution.
Light pollution.
Yes.
How can we know that it is light pollution?
We can see the stars because in the book, astronomers use telescope to see the stars. Astronomers maybe they study about that, but for the people like us, we need when we see the skies, I just compare when I was child and now. I don't see the beautiful view in the sky now because not too many stars there. So what happened with the sky because of light pollution? Light pollution can hide the stars.
Oh, I see. But this light pollution is not dangerous, right?
It's not dangerous, but the
It slows the view
yes,
of the sky.
yeah.
Okay. Now, IPAS. IPAS. Oke. Ini tentang perjuangan ya,
Iya,
perjuangan bangsa Indonesia.
masih di situ. Ini seperti review. Oke. Perjuangan bangsa Indonesia memperjuangkan kemerdekaan Indonesia itu kita tahu negara kita sudah merdeka seperti sekarang, kita bisa menikmati kemerdekaan dan kebebasan seperti saat ini tidak luput dari perjuangan para pahlawan kita sebelumnya. Sebelum merdeka, Indonesia itu dijajah oleh beberapa negara seperti Portugis pada abad 16, diikuti pada Belanda pada abad ke-17, dan lalu Inggris. Tapi Inggris tidak terlalu kuat seperti Belanda karena Inggris hanya beberapa periode, diikuti lalu terakhir Jepang 1942 sampai 1945. Belanda adalah negara terlama menjajah Indonesia 3,5 abad. Belanda mendirikan VOC untuk melindungi perdagangannya. Belanda menciptakan beberapa kebijakan, mereka juga bisa mendirikan benteng pertahanan, pelatihan militer, mereka menguasai pasar, monopoli. Mereka juga berkuasa karena persatuan Raja Nusantara pada saat itu lemah, jadi mudah diadu domba oleh pihak Belanda. Ada beberapa kebijakan Belanda seperti kerja paksa, rakyat Indonesia dipaksa untuk bekerja rodi tanpa diupah, mereka bekerja siang dan malam tanpa ada penghargaan, tanpa ada gaji, tanpa ada upah. Lalu pajak, mereka menaikkan pajak untuk rakyat Indonesia di mana Indonesia semakin sulit, semakin terjepit. Dan mereka juga melakukan tanam paksa, di mana tanam paksa ini rakyat Indonesia dipaksa untuk menanam seperti kopi, teh, dan rempah-rempah. Namun keuntungannya itu diberikan kepada pihak Belanda. Dan rakyat Indonesia semakin tidak tahan dengan kekejaman Belanda pada saat itu, maka di beberapa daerah melakukan perlawanan. Ada beberapa perlawanan seperti Ambarawa, Surabaya, dan lain sebagainya. Tokoh pahlawannya Sultan Hasanuddin dan Patimura, Kapiten Patimura, Cut Nyadin. Hasanuddin berasal dari Goa, Patimura dari Maluku, dan Cut Nyadin dari Aceh. Mereka bersatu melakukan kekejaman Belanda hingga akhirnya terjadilah organisasi seperti Peta, Jawa Hokokai, Putera, dan namun tetap tidak berhasil karena pihak Belanda, alat perang Belanda lebih canggih, Belanda juga lebih kuat. Lalu Indonesia mampu merubuhkan peperangan tersebut, namun tetap Belanda tidak ingin mengakui beberapa wilayah di Indonesia, hanya Jawa, Sumatera, dan Madura, sedangkan di Bali, Medan, Belanda tidak mengakui. Maka dilakukanlah perundingan, yaitu perundingan apa? Linggarjati dan Renville. Namun Belanda tetap bersikeras bahwa Indonesia adalah negara Republik Indonesia Serikat, di mana negara sekutu juga ikut dalam negara Indonesia tersebut. Namun Indonesia tidak ingin karena itu merugikan, sangat merugikan Indonesia. Dilakukanlah beberapa diplomasi seperti yang terakhir adalah konferensi meja bundar, itu dilakukan oleh PBB, dan terbentuklah NKRI, Negara Republik Indonesia, setelah perjuangan yang panjang. Walaupun proklamasi sudah diproklamirkan pada 1945, namun Indonesia baru bisa menjadi NKRI pada tahun 1946.
1946. VOC-nya apa kepanjangannya?
Bahasa Belanda, Miss. Friedrich I forget, but Kampenich. The last is Kampenich.
Iya. Karena kan nanti mana tahu murid ada nanya gitu kan. Setidaknya Miss hafal VOC karena udah berapa ya?
Friedrich I forget. That the last is Kampenich.
Nanti Miss cari ya. Dan tokoh perlawanan hanya 3 ini saja ya?
Tidak, Miss, banyak. Soekarno, Jenderal Sudirman, Gusti Ngurah Rai, Dewi Sartika, Era Kartini, Tengku Umar. Dan
dari Sumatera apa siapa?
Dari Sumatera itu Cut Nyadin dari Aceh. Selanjutnya jenderal apa gitu.
Sumatera Utara. Kayaknya Siamara aja deh.
Singamaraja
Iya
ada,
kan?
cuma ada lagi.
Nanti Miss cari lagi ya. Oke. We move to vocabulary. Okay. Now we move to vocabulary. What is lunar module? English.
Lunar module is spacecraft used to land on the moon.
Okay.
Lunar module help astronauts to land safely on the moon. For example, lunar module took Neil Armstrong to the moon.
Space capsule.
Space capsule is a small spacecraft that carries astronaut in the space.
Explanation.
Space capsule. Space capsule protects the astronaut during the journey. For example, space capsule helps the astronaut return safely to Earth.
Health education. Spoiled food.
Spoiled food to pampers or damaged not good anymore. There is the food that has gone bad and no longer safe to eat. For example, the meat returned sour and spoiled after sitting too long.
Okay. TBC.
TBC, tuberculosis, a sickness that affects lungs and breathing.
Additional explanation.
The disease that makes people cough a lot, is spread through the air, is treatable. For example, she had TB after coughing for weeks.
Okay. Science. Transparent material.
Transparent material allows to pass through material that allows light to pass through easily.
Translucent.
Translucent material that lets some light pass through blurry.
Telescope.
Telescope tool to see faraway objects in space.
Explanation.
There is an instrument that magnifies distant objects, making them easier to see.
Oke. IPAS. Mendompleng.
Mendompleng memanfaatkan keberhasilan orang lain untuk kepentingan pribadi. Mendompleng menggambarkan tindakan seseorang, memanfaatkan keberhasilan orang atau kesempatan orang lain untuk kepentingan diri sendiri tanpa usaha yang berarti.
Panglima.
Panglima, pemimpin atau komandan dalam militer atau perang.
Penjelasannya.
Panglima adalah seorang pemimpin militer yang bertanggung jawab atas strategi, perintah, dan koordinasi pasukan dalam peperangan atau pertempuran.
Okay. Now we move to homework. Keragaman agama di Indonesia dijamin dalam apa?
Pasal 28 Undang-Undang 1945.
Apa manfaat keragaman bagi Indonesia?
Manfaat keragaman memperkuat persatuan bangsa.
Mengapa sih kita harus menjaga keragaman budaya dan agama?
Karena keragaman membuat kita bisa hidup rukun dan lebih kuat sebagai bangsa.
Negara yang menjajah Indonesia paling lama?
Belanda.
Berapa tahun?
3,5 abad.
Apa tujuan utama VOC?
Melindungi perdagangan Belanda.
Perdagangan Belanda ya. Siapa yang mengetik teks proklamasi?
Sayuti Melik.
Yang membacakan?
Insinyur Soekarno.
Apakah setelah proklamasi kemerdekaan Belanda mundur?
Tidak, Belanda tetap ingin menjajah Indonesia kembali.
Jadi apa yang dapat kita pelajari dari perjuangan para tokoh ini?
Yang dapat kita pelajari sikap kerja keras, persatuan dan keberanian untuk merdeka dan mencapai kebebasan.
Apa yang dimaksud dengan kalimat efektif?
Kalimat efek,
Kalimat aktif, sorry.
kalimat aktif
Kalimat
adalah kalimat yang subjeknya melakukan tindakan atau perbuatan kegiatan, perbuatan, tindakan atau
Kalau pasif?
pasif kalimat yang subjeknya dikenai tindakan.
Dikenai tindakan.
Iya.
Ciri-ciri kalimat pasif?
Ciri-ciri kalimat pasif menggunakan kata kerja di dan ter, objeknya sebagai pelaku, dan subjeknya dikenai tindakan.
Bagaimana cara menulis biografi?
Mengumpulkan informasi dan menyusunnya menjadi narasi.
Okay. So what happens when light passes through different materials? Science.
It bends.
Bends. So when light travels from air into water, what happens?
It bends.
It bends also. What is the effect of light pollution?
The effect of light pollution, it creates sky glow and hides stars.
Hide stars. So do you think light pollution is a big problem for stargazing?
Yes, but
Why?
because we need stars because that is galaxy. The God creates galaxy because we need it, and then also astronomers always see the stars to check the what we say, not environment, what is the weather, and then that is related to astronomy.
So how to reduce the light pollution?
We can turn off the light when that's unnecessary. We can turn off unnecessary lights and then use dimmer light at night.
So what is a symptom of TBC?
Health education.
Yeah.
Bad cough and chest pain.
How can germs spread through food and water?
When food and water is contaminated.
So what happens if TBC gets worse?
You may cough. The people who get tuberculosis may cough out phlegm with blood.
What is phlegm?
The thick mucus in the throat.
Oh, and then it can produce blood? It can produce blood?
No, it may not produce blood, but because of TB, the bacteria, the germs here, the phlegm will mix with the blood, and then
Mix with the blood.
And then when we cough out, we will vomit or will out the phlegm with the blood.
So I love swimming. What is the function of swimming there?
Swimming, I love swimming as that's a gerund as a noun.
So what is the example of a sentence like if a gerund as a subject?
Gerund as a subject. Swimming is fun.
So what is lunar module used for?
Lunar module used for to land on the moon.
All right, I think until here the evaluation for today is. I just want to give an input like the vocabulary list. When I ask a word or some words from the vocabulary list, don't wait me until give a statement like the additional explanation. So when you explain this, but you explain the graded definition and then you continue directly to the additional explanation with the example that you have made here. I think only that means for others, it's clear for me, the explanation also, and then for the summary point also, it was complete. So I think you pass in this evaluation.
Okay.